Today I'm going to be using a pizza pan from the Dollar Tree, and I started by priming it with Wise Owl Gray Primer. 2 coats is good, and then I'm going to cover this with black Wise Owl Chalk Synthesis paint, and I did 2 to 3 coats and allowed that to dry. I found this flower shape, I believe at the Dollar Tree. You can get these at Michael's as well, and I'm going to paint it Republic Red. I did do probably 2 coats of this. I found this ladybug at Michael's. And I'm painting it in the Republic Red. And then I'm grabbing a small dabber and some black paint, and I'm filling in the spots. This was much easier to get that paint in that little indented area. I did the eyes white. And then using an art brush, I filled in the line on the back. Painted the antennas black as well. And added a black dot in the center of the eyes. I found this circle. I want to say this is probably about 4 inches round, and I painted it in the snow owl. I grabbed these packs of the dabbers, and I took the largest one from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to be using snow owl to create polka dots on my pizza pan. I'm taking some Jenga blocks from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue 2 together using E6000 and hot glue, and then I'm going to glue it to the pan. And I'm going to do 2 more just like this. I'm going to take my large red flower and glue it to the Jenga blocks. I'm going to take my circle and glue it to the flower. So this is going to be like the center of the flower. I'm going to take another set of Jenga blocks, glue them together, and then glue them to the center of the flower. Then I'm going to glue the ladybug on top of the Jenga blocks. I found this little sign at the Dollar Tree. I love it. They have unfinished wood now. This had a little hanger on it. And I'm going to paint this in the snow owl. I'm just using what was left over on my dabber. And I found these little tiles at the Dollar Tree in the black and the white. And I'm going to spell out Ladybug Crossing. And it fit perfectly on this little wooden tag. And I'm going to use a hot glue gun. Once I get everything kind of where I want it, I'm going to use a hot glue gun to actually glue the letters down. I did need 2 packs because they only have 1 letter in each pack. And then I'm going to take my sign, and again using E6000 and hot glue, I'm going to glue it to the top of my pizza pan. And this is going to be a cute little sign, and it's also going to act as the hanger to the entire project. Now to finish this off, I'm going to use our Wise Owl salve as a top coat. I started with the brush, and then I moved to a cloth that was just easier to maneuver around all the nooks and crannies. The reason I waited is because if I got any of this wax on any part of the project, I would have had a hard time gluing it down. So I just waited till I was finished and just took my time going through and adding the wax. It's kind of a rub on, rub off. And this is just going to brighten up your paint. It's going to give you a nice top coat. And make it look finished. And it also smells good. This is lemon verbatim. You can get it in unscented, and you can get all these products at chalkitupfancy.com. I do believe we may have some tiles there as well if you're interested. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.